Good morning, everyone, and thank you for joining me again. This is Darren with Madcap Toys, and we are going to be talking today about what we've been doing on eBay, our main store at Madcap Toys, and Mercari. We've had a few things going on with Mercari. Actually, Mercari, as of yesterday, for the first time in, I'm going to say, a couple years, has outsold eBay. Not by much, but it did it. So I'm going to give you a few developments that we've seen. We've had another faux pas, as it was with eBay. We had a day, the 16th, yesterday, where we had no sales on, I believe it was either store on eBay. So eBay has been screwing things up again. Either they're implementing more live and update issues with that, or something internal that we don't know anything about. Usually, from our experience, we've noticed that there are dead days, or I'm going to call it zones of time, when eBay does something to try to get things working a little better with live. That's at least what I've noticed. No backing for that all the time, but that just seems like that's the way it trends with us when they're updating things. But we'll leave that there and move on. Today or yesterday, we did have some sales. I'm going to tell you some items that we got out. We told you about those too. I sold a 2002 Topps collector. This is on Mercari. Trading card, the Indians John Rocker, number 494. That's already gone out and shipped. We sold that on Mercari for $1. Then I've got 4 items currently, if I can get them to come up, that we've had that's sold as of late. We sold a 1928 silver Mercury dime again, which is in very good condition for $9.34. We sold the other day a 1968 Lincoln cent memorial cent gem proof. We sold that for $3. And we sold a 1953 S silver Washington quarter. We called that one. We've got a lot of these out there about uncirculated. Now, guys, the reason why we are saying uncirculated, we try to fine tune a little bit because of eBay's updates and all, but we call them about uncirculated so we don't have to go through the detail of fine tuning what the coin is and giving it, and then somebody don't agree because they don't see anything but the picture. And the picture, a lot of times, depend on the way the light hits it, etc. and so forth, the settings of the camera may not show all the details as good as sometimes we want it to. But we did that basically on most things to keep it where it's simple. Sounds like we got an emergency outside. Hopefully nobody's hurt. But it just covers a lot of bases. Now, if it's AU or about uncirculated, we'll grade it as best we can. If it's BU or gem proof or what have you, again, we do the best we can. But on things where we don't want to go AG, G, F, etc. and so forth, a lot of those we just put, no matter what the grade really could be in our minds, we put the item at about uncirculated, and you can tell a lot by the price of the item that we put there, because that will correlate with what we believe the grade of the coin truly is. But we just do it to save a little time as well. And we sold a bundle again to a gentleman named Jesse James, a total of $10. I believe it's 3 coins. Let's see what it is. I may have shouted this out. I don't recall. 1956 Lincoln Memorial or wheat cent. I'm sorry. Sold. It was in improved condition. We sold a 2009 D Lincoln Professional Years penny. That sold. That was Jim BU, I believe. And then we sold another one. So he may be filling albums or comparing them. We sold it as well, which was also a 2009 D. So we sold basically a 3-coin set there for $10. And that's what we've got. That's went out the other day. And we was waiting to see if we have more items on eBay or Mercari. We've only got one item right now, which would be the 1968 S Lincoln Memorial Cent Gem Proof that I've got to find and ship. Haven't got to it today because it just basically come in the other day on Mercari. So we will find that as quick as we can. eBay. What is going on with eBay? Well, let's look at the details here and give you some updates on the site from our understanding. And right now I have 0 sales. Yesterday I had 0 sales, and we was up yesterday up to 61.5 or 7% higher month over month. But currently we're only up 33.3% over the last 31 days. We've been getting questions, we've been sending out offers, but so far zero nada has come through today as far as sales. So there's something going on. Either people can't make it through to purchase an item, or we're invisible again, or God knows, right? But anyway, the last time we had a 0 day was back on the 3rd of July. So we've gone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We've gone 12 days with sales going up and up and up. 3 really good days, and several okay days, and then some days could have been better, right? But we've gone again on the 13th day with 0. So far on the 14th day with 0. And the small store with Kathy has hit some sales, but it's also struggling a little bit today as well. I need to clean the screen, it looks like. But so far, what we're looking at is $18 day on the 4th, $36 day, $79 day. That was the 6th. The 7th was 33. The 8th is 42. The 9th is 11. Get that. As a single sell towards 11 o'clock at night or so. The 10th, we had $74. The 11th, we had $43. The 12th, we had $119. The 20th, or what day is that? No, the 13th, I'm sorry. How am I getting the 19th? But the 12th was $119. And the 13th, we had basic 29. Then we had 91. And then we had another $131 day. And then on the 16th, we had 0. As again, I told you, we have 0 thus far today. I don't know how some of these sites are running with days that seem to, they never have $0 days. I don't know. My only thought could be that maybe it's because how many followers they have online, or followers of the store, which is all fine. It's all legal. It's all fair. But if it's not that, I don't know how they do it, because somehow we are just being beat down once in a while for a day. And God forbid if it's 2. We've had that as well. But as of right now, it's only 1 day every 12 to 14 days. We're top rated. We've got everything going good there. Our clicks, I can tell they've been changing it up, because my clicks, ad sales, and return on ad spent, right now everything's reading 0% or dash, which tells me they're messing with the site, because a while ago I was up quite a bit on my ad campaign, which, we don't really do ads, but whatever is promoted within the store, it was doing pretty good. Right now, our listing impressions is down 6.3%. My click-through rate is still up 0.1%. We want to get that moving up higher. We was up until today on our listing impressions, or the other day before we hit the 0. I'll just put it that way. Page views is up 9.2%. That a lot of this stuff is misnomers, doesn't make sense. I'm back up on my conversion rate, still too low. I'd like to see it at 1.2% at lowest, but we are up to 0.9% on sales conversion rate. Our conversion rate is up 0.1%. We've got nothing but good feedback. Thank you to all those of you that have shopped us and follow our store, because that helps a lot. We really appreciate it. And this is just going to be a quick overview, guys, because really, when you hit those days with nothing, there's not a whole lot you can really say about things. Everything that I'm trying to implement does seem to be working, but that's got a caveat. If they don't get in the way, muck things up, and trip you up to where you can't tell if your system is working or not. It was working great. I've showed you the video earlier this week, and then I showed you what has been happening with Kathy's store this week as well. And there's one common denominator, and that's like nothing you're doing will work if they're shutting you off and working or mucking up on the system. My total selling cost has gone down again, which is good. We're down to 43% of everything going out is going out. The rest of it's coming into us, which is 57%. We'd like to get down to 39 to 40% at best. My traffic says I have 0 impressions, 0 click-throughs, 0 page views, 0 sales conversion rate. So that going over here after I just read it off to you over there tells you what's really going on with the site. They're working on the internals. They're mucking up the system. So if your sales are down like ours today and the other day, there's not much we can do about it, guys, because if they're working on your server, you and I are screwed. Just hold on to it, keep the faith as it was, and things will change. But that's sort of why I'm giving you a briefer summary than usual. Let's check in and see if I've got anything I can report that's good. Total sales currently is up 33.3%. Going on. Same thing. Quantity sold is up 27.4%. Average price is up 4.6%, which currently it's sitting at $19.50 an item. That's pretty much the same thing. And one of these days I will show you what is going on via the page where you can see it. But right now we're not doing it because there's so much ifs, ands, and buts. It's just what I may show you may not be truthful in a lot of ways because of what eBay is doing. My total buyers is up 15.1%. The last one was total quantity. I'm sorry if I said that wrong. I may have, I may not. It's up, like I said, 24.4%. Breakdown is one-time buyers is up 11.8%. Repeat buyers, I've had 4 of those, is up 100%. 93.4% is one-time buyers. Repeat buyers is up 6.6%. My top 5 categories today. Toys and hobbies is down 26.8%. It's been almost a month or so when I did a video, and it's been up over 100+% each time till today. So that's another verification that they are messing with the site. Coins, paper, money, primarily U.S. quarters. Washington is up 100%. Collectibles, primarily Star Wars collectibles. Sci-fi is up 100%. Music, cassettes is up 15.6%. Vinyl records, 33s, 45s, 78s is up 163.9%. Let's see if I got anything else. Coins and paper, Lincoln Cents is up 100%. Play sets is up 100%. Movies, Blu-rays, DVDs up 77.2%. Sporting goods, protective gear is up 100%. Toys and hobbies, Legos, etc. is up 100%. Preschool and pretend items is up 100%. Trading cards, basically, toys and hobbies, CCG sealed packs is up 100%. Model kits is up 100%. Collectible comics is down 51.3%. Health and beauty care is up 100%. Supplies of paper money is up 100%. Collectibles, knives, etc. is up 100%. Home and garden, kitchen, storage, and organization, food containers is up 100%. Toys and hobbies, die-cast cars, trucks, vans, etc. is up 66.3%. And dolls and bears, clothing, etc., accessories is up 100%. So most things are the right way, but we are still seeing a little bit of the issues with the eBay faux pas, as it was. So guys, that is pretty much what is going on. I'm going to look into the service metrics. I don't know why I can't get rid of that. I've still got one that says it's been returned, but I have none of those forever, and that's 1 out of 192, which is 0.52%, which is still, they say it's high, but it's like, it's high because you won't ever update your site and keep it there. Anyway, looking on to the traffic again, make sure I'm fine-tuned on that. Yep, looks good on that. I quoted everything off to you on that. But guys, this is a little interlude video, if you would. Please forgive the shortness on it. But I don't want to give you information when really for 2 days I've had nothing really moving up to this point. I've had some notifications. I've had some questions. I've had some talk back and forth with customers or other sellers wanting to know this or that about a product or what do I think is going on here and there. In one of our forum groups, be sure to join our reseller communities on Facebook, etc. We do a lot of discussions there, but we've not had a whole lot going on for the last 2 days up to the last couple of days. I'll get it out eventually, guys. I'm sorry. Up to this point because, well, they've shut the site down and nothing's actually gone. We see numbers, but when I take and I tell you numbers, for instance, and then I go to the next page and all those numbers are gone, we don't know if my numbers I gave you are true, which they should be relatively true, or if it's going to show something totally different if I come back to it. So just keep that in mind. I'm trying to be as fair, honest, and open-minded as I can be. My numbers should be right, but I don't know what they're doing with the internal works of the site. I've not had any breaks today. I've not had anything say, oh, it's not USS or their newfangled signs that they put out every so often that tells you, hey, there's a break here or there or whatever. But I'm just going to keep you up with it as best I can, let you know 1 to 3 times a week what is going on with the site as far as from what we're seeing. Hopefully everything gets going. I hope your sales are good. If not, guys, just keep working, keep trying as best you can because we'll get through this one way or the other, right? Come on, Ryan. But, just stay true, guys. It'll happen. All right, thank you so much. Don't forget to like, share, and give us a comment if you got one in the video below when you see this. And, hey, we'll see y'all later. Bye-bye.